Hello, good afternoon, students. As you know, our topic was pronouns. We have learned three kind of pronouns: personal, possessive, and demonstrative. Now is the time of relative pronouns. What are the relative pronouns? They are used to show relationship. For example, who, whom, that, which, whose. Means relative pronouns connects to a statement. Okay, it work like of a conjunction. Understood? So in this who, whom, that, which and whose. So who is generally used for people, okay, and which is used for lifeless object and for the animals, and that is used for the people and things. So we can use it. So relative pronouns acts like a conjunction, okay, it connects to statement. Now the fifth is reflexive pronouns. What are the reflexive pronouns? Reflexive pronouns, for example, myself, yourself, herself, himself, ourselves, themselves, itself. What are the reflexive pronouns? Yes, I tell you, reflexive pronouns shows that the action of the subject reflects back to the subject. Okay, reflexive pronouns show that the action of the subject reflects back to the subject or affects the subject. For example, you have hurt yourself, she saved herself, we should love ourselves. Okay, students. Now is the next is interrogative pronouns. What are the interrogative pronouns? They are used to ask questions. For example, who, whom, whose, what, and which. So what are the interrogative pronouns? Interrogative pronouns ask questions. For example, what is your favorite food? Who visited you today? Whom did you call? Understood? Now the last is emphatic pronouns. Emphatic, you can say, emphasizes pronouns. They are used to emphasizes. For example, myself, ourselves, yourself, yourselves, himself, herself, and itself. So if I ask what are the difference between the reflexive pronouns and the emphatic pronouns, you can say both are same. No, both are not the same, because reflexive pronouns, I have told the example. Reflexive pronouns example is you have hurt yourself, okay, and the emphasize pronouns, what are the emphatic pronouns? In this emphatic pronouns emphasize the doer of an action. Emphasize the doer of an action. They show that the action was done by a particular doer only, not by anyone else. For example, I myself locked the door. She herself made this mistake. So I hope you have understood all these. So now is the time for exercise. In this unit, exercise 2, here is a poem. You have to read out the poem. You have to pick out the pronouns, okay. So here are ordinary pronouns and the possessive pronouns. Ordinary pronouns, they are common: I, you, he, she, we, they. And what are the possessive case of these? I, my, you, your, he, his, she, her, we, are, they, their. Now is the exercise number 3. In this exercise, read the following sentences and underline personal, reflexive, possessive, demonstrative, and relative pronouns. Okay. I have solved here. Yes, that is your exercise. Mr. Ranjit Singh is our class teacher. So R is a pronoun. He is very hard-working teacher. He never permits those children who came late to attend his class. Fourth is, he has a driver, but he drives the car to the school and back himself. Fifth, he feels very bad if he doesn't find us doing our homework ourselves. Sixth, some of the students, however, don't do their homework themselves. They request their parents to do their homework. Now 7th, I have misplaced the book that my father gifted me. 8th, what is the matter? And the last is, this is my car. I have solved here. I'll send you the picture at the WhatsApp group. Now exercise number 5. In this exercise, fill in the blanks with relative pronouns. Okay, I have solved here all the exercise. Yes, students, you have to do the exercise number. Yes, you have to do the exercise number 1 and this exercise number 2, 3, 4 and 5th in your book. Okay, only you have to fill your book by this. Thank you.